hard to close. Bit hard to close. Still in very good shape though. Made out of it's a mother of pearl hammer knife. Hammer brand knife. Probably vintage. My dad gave it to me. Still works fine though. Good for scaling fish and cutting line. It's a nice size to fit in your pocket. About the size of my finger. It's about 4 inches when stretched out and about 2 when not stretched out. It's about a 1/2 inch when it's that, and then 4 when the nut blade's out. Nice little size of a pocket knife. Little bit tarnished, little bit rusty right there. Still pretty sharp though when you check. Actually not that bad. Needs a little bit of sharpening, but I can do that. These are collectibles from Hammer brand, I'm pretty sure. I was cleaning out my closet and I found this and a few other pearl things. Some reason my grandma had something with mother of pearl. But this was my favorite thing and I wanted to keep it because these are actually collectibles. So I said, why don't I keep this? There's a lot of blades and razors, a lot of old vintage stuff like an old Larcia camera that took film. Old porcelain dolls in one box. And then there was a big pocket knife, but it was this crappy thing. I didn't want it. It was too big to carry around, and my dad wouldn't let me. He said he's fine with me, but it needs to sharpen it before I use it for anything. Still works good. There's the knife when it's stretched out. This is a beautiful color. I really like it. Looks a bit tarnished, but really in a good shape.